डैम। डोगेश भाई आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are riding somewhere nearby because it's a Saturday 28 February. I got this handlebar razors from SKYDD is the brand, and it costed me around 800 INR from Amazon. These are the 1.5 inch ones, if you can see clearly. So this got placed right here, and the one thing or a problem that I faced with this was the turning radius. This right, the brake cylinder you see यहाँ पे जो है, it was hitting the display when I used to turn the bike fully, like on the other direction. It used to hit this the display. So I had to adjust a little bit by lowering this part, this screws right here. So I just lowered it much more. So I have to hold the handle like this now. So that's the latest change on the bike that has been done. Apart from that, nothing much. I'll explain to you how it works though. We'll be waiting for a friend here, Abhijit, who's on the Himalayan. Meanwhile, if I can explain to you. So this was the problem right here. When you twisted the handle, if you can see, there's a very much of little gap which I had to adjust because this was in place. And so yeah, we'll wait for a while and then we'll go. Meanwhile, could have just a little bit of chai break right here. What I like about these gloves is giving this feature. This thing is really handy and all. So it keeps it, keep it like this. I keep it like this. You can keep it anyways. Street 2.0 है, थोड़ा street में चलाने के लिए. Okay, coolish. So we are back on the road, guys. Saturday evening, let's go. Saturday energy. We are taking some rounds. हमें खुद पता नहीं है. Bro knows places, so we are going those places and all. I love the low end torque of the Himalayan. Every time I sit on it, the engine smoothness से लेके सब कुछ is such wow. And the weather is also such wow. And the heat is also not that much, such wow. Motto of the channel is such wow. Such a wow. Sorry. उन्होंने हॉर्न मार के उनको अलर्ट कर दिया. Nice you, man. Also with the handlebar razors in the bike, in the 390 Adventure for obvious, I have I have got this stability of the handle, and if you can see this handle, it is also raised with the Zana ones. So this handlebar has to be also been raised and all. So it feels perfect to me. And this is a peacock place where people see peacocks and all. Okay, so we'll be going through here because this was closed last time we came here. That's why you was honking, you get to know when people are honking behind you and you don't have an intercom, especially. I haven't been to this route yet. We'll see where it goes. Newly built roads का ये लेके जाएगा. Some off-road. Yeah. Yeah. बस लगे ना बाइक को नीचे. I'm not good with Himalayan, but I'll handle. Yeah. Felt like a challenge. हमने सोचा था कि हम पुराना वाला व्यू पॉइंट ही घूम के आ जाएंगे, बट हेयर भी यार भाई तो ऐसे भगाते हैं, माँ कसम धूल धपट्टा कर देंगे. मैं भी कम में नहीं हूँ भाई. कम ऑन. Back to my original bike. Let's see how I handle this. Damn. डोगेश भाई आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? Monkeys. Holy shit. और ऑफ रोड बढ़ गया. इट्स नाउ ग्रेवल ग्रेवल ग्रेवल. आराम से बेटा. ये है पानी फेंका गया है इस रोड पे अभी, बट इट इज स्टिल बिट ऑफ स्किडिंग विद द ग्रेवल्स एंड वी हिट अ नॉर्मल रोड. वाह. So we have half-built roads and half-built off-roads. I should go by here भाई, but ठीक है. डोगेश भाई दी लड़ाई. Nice. View is nice. अच्छा बट बंद था. हाँ क्या डोगेश भाई आप भी ना. अब हम जा रहे हैं ऑफ रोड भाई. पता नहीं हम इतना पतला रास्ता पकड़ के क्यों जाते हैं. पूरा दूर हो गया भाई. मैं भी 70 पे चल रहा हूँ. आई इवन डोंट हैव द आइडिया कि 70 पे मैं क्यों चल रहा हूँ. And here we are back at that same point where I was going to fall off. ड्यूक में निकाल लेता हूँ, बट यहाँ से ना. Let's go. Bhai is waiting at that part. Train line is closed, you'll wait. हाँ, मैं पहुंच नहीं पाया भाई, अपना पहुंच गया. रास्ता है वहाँ से. ओके. There is a way around. We'll go through that way. You wanted to tell me though, but life is unpredictable. Not life, situations, maybe. Here's the off-road again for you to consider, so that you don't have to wait train lines. इस पे खड़े हुआ तो सर चला जाएगा अलग से मेरा. मैं सीढ़ी साइड पे एक अच्छी जगह पे चाय पिलाता हूँ. चलो. Holy shit, forgot the wind guards though.